Hello friends, in this AV we are going to take up the numericals of chapter 4 of class 10 physics, that is refraction of light at plane surfaces. In this part we are going to talk about the numericals based on Prism. So in exercise 4b we just have two questions, and the good news for the students is for both the questions they have already given the formula as hint, and whatever unknown variable that we have to find, except that all the other values have been provided to us. So let's try to solve. So the first numericals here says a ray of light incident at an angle of incidence 48 degree on a prism of refracting angle 60 degree suffers minimum deviation. We have to calculate the angle of minimum deviation. By what angle will the incident light deviate? And they have already given the value of I, that is angle of incidence 48 degree, and the refracting angle, that is value of A, as 60 degree. They have given us the hint. I is given, A is given. We just have to put it in the formula and the angle of minimum deviation can be found out. So here I have solved it for you. We have the given part. So we have written the angle of incidence, which is given in the question, I is equal to 48 degree. The refracting angle A is 60 degree. So the formula is given in the hint already. The angle of minimum deviation, delta minimum, is equal to 2I minus A. So we have the value of I, that is 48 degree, and we have the value of A, that is 60 degree. So we put it in the formula, twice multiplied by the angle of incidence, that is 48 degree, minus the refracting angle, that is 60 degree. So 2 into 48 is 96, minus 60 gives us 36, and that is the answer. Now the second or the last question says, what should be the angle of incidence for a ray of light which suffers minimum deviation of 36 degree through an equilateral prism? So here we have to find the value of I. Again we can use this formula to find the value of I. The angle of minimum deviation is given to us, that is 36 degree, and the value of A, that is refracting angle, we can find out because it says that this is an equilateral prism. So for equilateral, like for equilateral triangle, all the angles are 60 degree. So for this equilateral prism, the refracting angle would be 60 degree only. So here we have written the given things. It says angle of prism A is 60 degree, angle of minimum deviation is 36, and we use the same formula like the previous question, that angle of minimum deviation is equal to twice I minus A. So angle of minimum deviation is 36 minus 2 into I, that is angle of incidence is what we have to find out, minus the refracting angle or the angle of prism, that is 60 degree. So here if you take minus 60 to the other side, it becomes 36 plus 60. So I have written it here, and twice I. So twice I is equal to 36 plus 60. Now here you can see 36 plus 60 is 96. So twice I is equal to 96. Therefore I is equal to 96 divided by 2, that is 48 degree. I hope it's clear to you all. Happy learning. God bless.